Hi guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I have here today December's Mani and Me box by Maniology. This is their monthly subscription box. You get 2 plates, 2 polishes, a little square stamper and scraper, and then you get like a bonus surprise, like a little extra gift. Last month's November's box, I got the 2 plates, 2 polishes, the stamper, and then the little bonus gift was a cuticle oil, which I gave away to a friend of mine. And let me get some facts straight here because I totally screwed up the last video. These are $25 a month. If you order it for 3 months and you prepay for the 3 months, it makes it you save 10%. If you order for 6 months, then you save 20%. So if you're planning on getting the box over time, you will be able to save a little bit more money by pre-ordering it more months in advance. Also, they have a thing where you can skip a month if you get a hold of them before the 1st of that month. They can let you skip a month. So if you're not needing anything that month, or you just want to save some money and skip a month, you can do that as well. And to cancel, you have to email them and tell them that you would like to cancel your subscription. Okay, so $25 a month, you get this little gem here, and I'm going to open this for you. I haven't opened it yet, so you will get all my first impressions on this one this time. The last one I did already open on Instagram. So the inside of the box says, "Fall in love with who you are." Very cute, little snowflakes everywhere. Here's their little card. This tells you a little bit about what's in the box, so let's take a look at that. No peeking, just kidding. Tear open the wrapping paper, shred it to pieces. Your very first holiday present has arrived, and we don't want you to contain yourself. December's Mani and Me box is stuffed with 2 exclusive holiday edition chic peak stamping plates, decked out with festive wreaths, ornaments, and winter skies. Ooh, I'm excited to see these. A December to remember. Chill out with 2 brisk and beautiful stamping polishes. Iced Pond and Snowdrift are inspired by silent snowy nights. Cozy up next to the fireplace or admire the snowflakes under the stars with these holiday ready hues. Let it snow. We're putting some hollow in your holiday. This month, enjoy the gift of snow with our holographic chrome flakies. Ooh. Let these iridescent snowflakes drift over your nails for a touch of winter magic in any manicure. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to see this one. Okay, so let's do as it says and rip it open. Okay, so here is how it's packaged. Now, I'm actually surprised it's in as good a shape as it is in. It came shipped in like one of those like bubble wrap bags, and it was a little worse for wear when it showed up on my doorstep. So nothing from Maniology, but the post office really gave it a nice toss around. So let's just pull everything out. Oh, there are the flakies. Oh my goodness. Hello. We got some little candies here. Little pineapple candies, and the stamping plates. I thought that every box came with a stamper and scraper. Maybe I'm mistaken. I will look into that, but I do not have a stamper and scraper in this box, which is a little strange. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the polishes first. Let me find some scissors. There we go. Ooh, so here are our colors. Let's see. We've got a beautiful blue. It's not really a minty blue, it's like a dusty blue. That's really nice. That'll make some beautiful snowflakes. And then we've got a metallic one, and this is kind of coming off a little, in real life it's a little bit more pink. It's got almost a rose gold hue to it, and that's called Snowdrift, and this one is called Ice Pond. Very pretty. I really like this one a lot. Yeah, it's definitely got more of a pink kind of hue to it in real life. Very rose gold looking. So there are the polishes. These are mermaid scales, it says. Let's see if we can open these and get a better peek at them. Ooh, I'm very, very, very excited for these. Ooh. Let's get the flash on those. Oh yeah, there we go. Ooh, look at that sparkle. That is gorgeous. These are going to be so much fun to play with. I do have a few other like chrome flaky type things like these. These are really fun. You can rub these completely into the nail to get that chrome effect, but it still gives you almost like a little scattered hollow look to it. Or you can kind of just dab it into like a sticky layer, and it makes a really pretty effect that way too. So I like that. Now let's look at the stamping plates. We've got that beautiful teal kind of colored backing on these. Okay, we've got number 36 and number 37. And let me turn the flash back off. Number 36 here. Okay. So we have some beautiful like framing type of images here, which are really fun to do around the nails. I really like that a lot. So some like pine wreath looking things. This one has some like poinsettia flowers and some little ornaments or bubbles in it, and another leafy piney kind of look. And then right here we've got, this looks more fern like, very pretty. I love this one right here with the little dangling ornaments. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Oh, and we've got some pine cones here with some snowflakes. Another like swag kind of image with the ornaments, and a swag like what is that, like wreath type thing. Words, it's so early, guys. Oh, this is really pretty. This would be beautiful coming down from the cuticle area. So you've got like your snow, like it's falling down the nail. Ooh, that is gorgeous. I love that image. We've got a little tiny let it snow, be jolly, Merry Christmas, season greetings, baby it's cold outside, and 'tis the season. I really like these. These are very small images, as you can see next to my thumbnail. These should fit on any nail with no problem. I do like that. And then over here in the top corner, we've got some single images. A beautiful candy cane image. I really like that a lot. And this kind of lantern candle, and a cute little ornament, a beautiful Christmas tree, and some poinsettia right here. And it looks like a little bit of holly. Yep. With a ribbon around it. That's gorgeous. I really like this plate a lot. So far, I like this box better than last month's. And number 37. See what we got here. Okay, so we got some more of like those like framing the nail images, so you go all the way around the edge of the nail with those. We've got some snowflakes in like a geometric pattern. We've got some stars. It's very pretty. And we got just straight up snowflakes. I like that one a lot. We got some bigger open stars, another geometric type snowflake pattern. That's really cool looking. And then another one of those like falling snow kind of images. I like that. Then we've got some really pretty like swag type images where you can like put this at the cuticle area. You can put this at the like free edge and make like a French out of it, which would be pretty. We've got a little ho ho ho. Happy holidays, peace, love, joy, and a warm wishes with some mittens and a hat. I like that one. That one's really super cute. And then all your little images there. So it looks like we have small, medium, and large, which is fantastic. So if you want to do this across all your nails, you're going to be able to do that with the smaller images for like your pinky, the bigger images for like your thumbnails. That is very, that's a very good idea. I like that a lot. So I really like these plates much better than last month's. Personal preference, of course. So these are plates that I would look at if I saw it on the website and say, yeah, I'd probably order those. So I don't know what's going on with not having a stamper in this box. Again, I will look into that and figure out if I'm supposed to have a stamper with every single box or not. I thought you were. So, but I did call and cancel, or I emailed and canceled my subscription box just because I think it's a little high, $25. You get 2 stamping plates, 2 polishes. I thought a stamper, but I guess maybe not. And then a little thing of flakies. So, I mean, it's not terrible. If you can swing it, then it's not a bad little box, but 25 is a little high. So I did call and cancel that. I don't need a ton of plates right at this moment or polishes, and if I do, I'm looking for something very specific for a client, so I would prefer to pick it myself and get the exact thing that I'm looking for. So like a little just bonus pop-up box with random stuff in it isn't something that I personally need at the moment. So that is why I canceled my box. But you guys feel free to go check them out. The link will be in the description box. This is not sponsored. I ordered all this myself just to try it out and see what it was like for a couple months. And yeah, so those are my thoughts and opinions on that. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, and if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Bye guys.